Bueno, pues estáis presenciando el momento en que nos hemos perdido con un taxista en Tokio. ¡Ay! Shunkai. Te lo agarro. Ahí va nuestro taxi. Y aquí está ya.
Just taking a look.
Shunkai.
Yeah. I know. I'm sorry.
Garden, all the tree now is in exhibition. Yeah, so this is the second oldest, but also this is kind of tanuki. The big part of this tree died many years ago, so our boss put the 2 new junipers.
Like tanuki.
No, this is tanuki. I told you. This here is the living part, original part of this tree. Here we now need some new.
But it's a natural part and a tanuki part in the same tree?
This is the tree. This is the same tree. This is tanuki. The new small junipers get inside.
Hello. How are you? You fine? You? Yeah, everything fine. Physical. Everything fine.
Coming to Taisho and study, but there is no hope for him, you know. So how is your kid? Okay?
Yeah,
Wife
she's
okay?
fine. Yeah, everything
Or
fine.
finish?
Everything fine, everything fine.
Okay. So good. So this is this.
We brought a wine bottle for
Regatta?
Regatta.
So maybe we go to drink some tea later, and he give you the omiyage, and then you can teach him. It's no problem. Now he forgets,
Yeah.
So we sit down and then sit. So this is the oldest one, and this is the one of the most expensive ones. This is 600 years old black pine. The name is Shokaku.
Shokaku.
Shokaku is the name of one of the really important Buddhist Japan monk. So this one has 600, and we call her also $1 million pine. Also, you can see the tree, the pot. This pot has 500 years old from China. Also, if you have beautiful tree, also this. If women wear beautiful dress, also need to have the beautiful shoes. Yes,
I understand.
connect together.
Amazing bark.
Huh?
Amazing bark too. That
Bark, yeah. You can see. In Taishan you have also like this, or not?
maybe.
Maybe not. Yeah. Sometimes the last tree, the Taiga won the prize.
Yes, the Prime Minister.
But this tree not really good. Next year this tree will win. I can tell you.
That one?
Yeah. This is also black pine, the best student here, and in this year, they talk each other. So this year he wants to get into the exhibition, but they talk. Okay, this year you was last year, so this year next we.
I understand.
It's good, this is cooperation. Yeah?
Yes. But it's so different in Europe.
Yes. This is the oldest azalea in our garden, 300 years old.
Amazing.
And really old. In the springtime cover full of flowers. This one has pink, and this was the number one in last year in Japan. And this has the 3 different colors of flowers. Yeah.
Amazing. Kobayashi-san likes Satsuki so much, right?
No,
Not so much.
no, not generally. He starts from Satsuki. He's the best prices and first touching towards the Satsuki. So any kind of sentiment he has. But now I think the pines are the best.
Sure, my Oyakata doesn't like Satsuki. And in Taishan, I think 1 or 2 Satsuki.
Yeah. No, our master liked because he was the first. Yeah?
Koi fishes.
Yes, koi fish. We have some fish here. Like you see.
I got koi pond too with Kohaku, Sanke, Showa, that Kinki Utsuri, no Utsuri.
What am I? This is koi. I study here bonsai, not
Just
fish.
fishes.
Yeah.
Huge.
Yeah.
They're waiting for the food.
Yes, but we have some problem with water now and no feeding them because there's any kind of bacteria inside.
I can see.
Huh?
I can see in the.
No, this is no problem. It's no, in water it's something, yeah? This in Japan, you know, it's symbol of happiness and good luck. If you have in your garden, it's really good. Last year, one gentleman from China bought one fish by $1,700,000.
Oh my god.
Yeah, number one in Japan. Fish.
I got great fishes too.
Where?
I love it.
In Spain?
Hi?
Okay. That is why you know the name, yeah?
No, not too much names, but some.
Mm.
Beautiful.
Our museum, this is the pearl of our garden, you know. Many beautiful trees you have in Japan, but you don't have the museum of many.
Mm.
Yes, so this is 4,000 years old tree from Fukushima prefecture, and some part of this house is built from this tree. I show you in the second
Same
part.
wood.
Yeah, the same, really, really old tree.
Olive tree?
Yes.
Amazing. This is Spanish
And
tree.
this is from Italy.
Ah,
Sorry.
no problem.
Yeah.
Probably they take from Spain.
Yeah. No. Because now is the most beautiful. The olives change the color, so
Yes.
we put inside making exhibition.
In my nursery, I got almost 2,000 olive tree like this size, 7 years from cutting.
7 years.
From cutting.
So you have bonsai nursery in Spain?
In Spain, in south of Spain.
Which city?
Cádiz, you know, south.
South.
More south, water.
How far from Madrid?
700 kilometers.
Long.
Yeah.
700. Yeah, one Spain. Who is Luis Vallejo in Spain?
In Spain. He is probably the main bonsai artist in Spain.
Yeah, one my friends working with his thing.
Mario?
Mario, yeah.
I studied with Mario 3 months at Kaeru-En 12 years ago. I know him.
Oh yeah, 12. He started. He in 2008 he finished.
I know. I was with him.
Yeah.
And I told him about Alcobendas Museum in Madrid.
Oh.
I had a good relationship with Mario.
Yeah.
I learned a lot of bad words in Polish.
Yeah. Kurwa.
He always say kurwa,
Yes.
or kuźwa.
This is normal in
Yeah.
Poland. Yeah.
It's like expression like kurwa.
This is Polish. I know.
I know.
Really, cerveza in Spain.
And one day he said, "Oh, kuźwa." I asked him, "What means kuźwa?" He told me, "Same of kurwa, but more Polish."
Yes. More polite because kurwa is very strong. So kuźwa is like for children, many children
I know.
telling like this.
Wow.
So 12 years ago you were here and now coming back?
Hi. Yes.
No.
I was in Kaeru-En 3 months, and after come back, I opened my own nursery in Spain.
Okay. And what is it? Good going business well in Spain or?
So.
So yeah. This is in Europe not easy.
No, and a lot of shops, and it's not easy. I'm more than bonsai school for beginners, and that's
Oh
it.
yeah.
I open my doors all Saturday morning at 10 o'clock, and a lot of people come with commercial bonsai, cheap bonsai, and to just put wire in first steps. And
From the
that's
big shops.
Yes.
Yes. Poland also. Yes.
But in Poland, a lot of people making good bonsai.
Really? Who?
Mario.
Mario, but
No.
Mario now is not in Poland. Mario
No,
is
in Madrid?
No. In Poland, you know, this, I think, not big competition, only 3, maybe 4 places when you can, and only 2 professionals. But also, when I study here, now I know that I'm not really good, you know. But I hope it change. You know, like all Europe now is a little bit better. Yeah?
See, yes.
This is tea ceremony room, really important in Japan house. Yes. So the size is small. Also, you have smaller size of tokonoma.
Ah, it's small.
Yes. So also we put that on the small trees. And this is really interesting.
We call Buddha hand or
Yeah.
hand of Buddha.
Buddha hand.
Buddha hand.
But you have in Spain this?
Yes.
Already?
Yes, but it's more for nursery plant or garden plant.
But not native. This coming from the probably any kind of Thailand or something.
So, yes, maybe. We don't have as bonsai. As a bonsai, always like garden plant.
From China making picture.
Here.
So the tree, remember the tree 4,000 years old? So
Uh-huh.
the ceiling here is made from this tree. Cut in the same order, put on the ceiling. So you can find out the same pattern along the ceiling. Yeah?
Oh.
You have the lower part of this tree, and here is the upper part of this tree. So you have even more beautiful.
Yeah, oh my god. What a
Red cedar.
amazing.
Really beautiful, yeah. All this museum, you know, our master built exactly like many years ago in Japan, yeah. Love Japan culture, want to show many people. This is azalea, also the specific, this is kinsai.
I know it.
And like you see many buds in the springtime will come. Many beautiful flowers.
Beautiful. It will be absolutely covered.
Yes. But yeah, this is the flowers not so big, so a little bit green see. If you have normal flowers, you can see even green under this.
I understand.